Hi everyone, how are you? Today we're learning some sounds of the letters S, A, I, E, N, P, T, and I think that's it, okay? So when you're ready, sit down and let's do some practice, okay? Let's begin. Okay, the first letter that we're learning is the letter S. Okay, now from now on, we're only focusing on the sound of each letter that we're presenting here. Okay, so for this sound, S, 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 S. This is the letter S. The sound it makes is S, 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 S. Every time you see this letter, the sound is S. Okay? Later I'm going to see if you know the sound, okay? Come on, let's move on the next letter. This is the letter A, okay? Today we're focusing on the short sound of this letter. The short sound is A, 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 A. It's a short sound, okay? You stop yourself when you're doing A, 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 okay? A, A. Very simple. Short sound of the letter A. A, A, A. Fantastic. Next, this is the letter N. Okay, this could be tricky for kids, okay, because normally the sound is Kids try to press their lips, okay? No, that's not how we do it, okay? So put the tip of your tongue up, okay? Open a little bit your mouth and make the sound. Make sure that your mouth is a little bit open. For no. No. Try to make this no. Very good. The sound of the N longer. Okay? And you will conquer the sound of the letter N. Okay, fantastic. Next is another vowel, the letter I. Okay, we are focusing as well. Maybe some of you know, maybe some of you don't, but the vowels have a short and long sound. Today we are only focusing on the short sound. So the short sound of the letter I is I, 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 I. Okay, fantastic. That's very easy, okay? I, I. Very good. Let's move. This is the letter T. The sound it makes is T, 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 T. Very good. One more time. T, 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 T. Fantastic. Okay. Next, another vowel, the vowel E, okay? And the short sound of this vowel is E, 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 E. Alright? I think so. E, E. One more time. Okay, fantastic. And the last letter of today is P. 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 Fantastic. Okay, press your lips together and then try to P. P. Open it. P. Make this first sound. P. Some air going out. P. 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 Fantastic. All right. So now let's try to make these sounds. Okay, I'm going to put all these letters here. Okay, I'm going to point it and try to repeat the sound. Let's make this circle a little bit bigger so all my letters can fit inside. Okay, let's make it bigger. Fantastic. All right. Now, okay. All right, so I'm going to change this so we got more colors here, okay, because I think we should have different colors for all the letters, okay. Okay, for the, let's put the green for pink, for the P. Okay, so, come on, try to make these sounds, okay, every time. Remember? S, t, t, t. Very good. A, 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 I, 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 t, 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 e, e. Okay, let's do it a little bit faster. Come on. S, a, p, e, t, I, p, a, e, t, s. Okay, so here we just need to try to play and try to repeat and repeat and repeat and repeat, and then we will conquer to the beginning of our reading. Okay, on next video we're going to focus on these sounds and we're making short words. Okay, let's try and see how you do it. Okay, see you in next video. Bye.